Good morning, everybody. Welcome to another Daily Market Report brought to you by Mike Bjork. Today is Thursday, October 27th. Got a couple items on the economic calendar, and we'll start with the weekly jobless claims. So last week, if you recall, we jumped in the 260s range. So we had 261,000 people apply for unemployment. Forecast was supposed to come down a little bit to 255. It did come down, not quite to expectations, but did break the 260 mark to 258. 258,000 people applied for unemployment. Also on the dock, we got the durable goods orders for the month of September. So back in August, we had a nice increase at 0.3%. We had forecasts of a 0.1%, and actually contracted to contracted to 0.1%. When you strip out the big ticket items like airplanes and stuff, we have what they call the core capital goods orders, and the previous reporting back in August was 1.2%. And it did basically a mirror reflection of negative 1.2% for the month of September. So overall, not so good month in September. Durable goods as well as the core even both dropped down a bit. On the other hand, we got the pending home sales for month of September. So back in August, we had it went down 2.4%, and in September went up 1.5%. So a nice little change there. So instead of going down, we went up. So good mark right there. So the stock market's down. It's been down. I mean, mixed. It's been down most of the time here, but we've been getting some back and forth with a few indexes here. A lot of it is global yields. We have, for example, the U.S. We've been kind of getting at a normal 1.75% on our 10-year Treasury, and now it's up to 1.86. Germany, in less than 30 days, we went from a negative 0.15 to like 0.16, so completely opposite. So right now we're kind of going in the sideways pattern. Investors still aren't very secure where things are moving. We have so instead of even putting mortgage-backed securities, which is a conservative, they're going into more treasuries, which is a more conservative environment. They're not secure with where the president elections, U.S. presidents. So you expect kind of a sideways pattern here. For next 2 weeks, it could be a little shaky due to the presidential elections with the uncertainty. And of course, we've been getting quite a bit of these earnings reports. Some weren't so good, and some were okay coming out. We got a couple big ones coming out today with the, I believe, Amazon, LinkedIn, and Alphabet, which is Google, coming in after hours, say. So we'll probably see that in the markets tomorrow. So let's take a look here at the bond market, and as you can see, we dropped below our floor of resistance here. Now we're even testing a 200-day moving average. So this is going to be very important right now. We're down currently about 32 basis points, so definitely a change for the worse. So pricing did go up. So interest rates did go up today as a result. So we do got the Treasury selling later on this afternoon. So we'll have to kind of wait and see how much of a purchase there is. Hopefully there's some hopefully we can clear this back up and get above this support level, especially want to stay above the 200-day moving average, because there's a pretty long drop if we break below that. Be very cautious here. All right, folks, I hope you guys have a great day. Right now, be very cautious as to if you got loans out there floating or anything, your interest rates are floating. So right now we're in the process of maybe breaking below another floor of support. Which 100 was a big one because we hadn't been below that since I think January of last year or January this year. Now we're breaking possibly below another important barrier here. All right, be cautious because right now it's going into treasuries, and even the stock market's suffering. All right, guys. If you guys want to receive current updates throughout the day, go ahead and follow me at Mike Bjork on Twitter. I do post updates throughout the day. So if you got that fix and want to know what's going on in the market, go ahead and follow me at Mike Bjork on Twitter. Have a great day, guys. Take care. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.